Hello, dear investors. With you project System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. A little further, we will study each parameter in more detail. If you want, you can pause the video. We suggest looking at all the parameters of the organization in more detail. Now we will compare the company's key indicators with you. ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals, ticker ALNY. This review was created using current information as of July 6, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals Inc. belongs to the subcategory Specialized Pharma. 27 organizations are taking part in the comparison. See the order table at the end of this video. Overall result for the company in question, -8 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, -4.1 points. If you look broadly, within the entire US market in general, note that the average rating for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8 points ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals Inc. and subcategory companies, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals Inc. showed a change of 36.4%. 13% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of a corporation ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals amounts to $43.28 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $220 billion. The company's book value is $0.1 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $32 billion. Having compared the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Occupied share ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 19.716%. Book value capitalization is 0.321%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company under analysis has financial liabilities of $2.459 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 2,357% of the company's equity. The result for the level of the company's financial obligations, very bad, -2 points. The company's market value to profit ratio is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$270 million. Profits for the next 12 months are projected to be $266 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 18.4. The average in the subcategory is 10.5. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, TALET, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,350 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The marginality is -11.5%, with an average in the subcategory of -10.1%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 12.883%, which is 53% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $19,407,000, while for the subcategory it is $12,682,000. Assessment of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit volume per employee is minus negative $120,900. Average for the subcategory, minus $121,800. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per employee of the company is $1,053,000. Subcategory, $1,206,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 2.7%, with an average for the subcategory of 3%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 70% for the company ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals Inc., whereas for the subcategory this level is 60%. The company's actual stock valuation is approximately $332. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $331. Let's look at the order table, which is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions of the stock evaluation information and reference system this season. Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the Securities Assessment ALNYLAM Pharmaceuticals Information and Reference System of System.GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open the trade for sale at a price of $331.91 per share. The order is open because the company has a rather low valuation. The organization was assessed using the Akeem's index assessment approach. Take profit is set at 229.24. Stop loss is set at 434.58. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order closes automatically at the end of the session on August 5, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, UTHR, will be the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the basic or balancing one, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.